Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Pisces at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung anong message yung para kay Pisces at yung person. You are perfection. Your beauty amazes me. I'm not sure how I am attracted to someone like you, but I'm forever grateful. Your perfection. Your perfection, Pisces. Yes, you are. So, it could be, yung message na to is for both of you and your person. So, yung beauty mo daw amazes me. I'm not sure how I am attracted to someone like you. Hindi, but I'm forever grateful. Hindi siya sigurado kung bakit siya na-attract sa isang katulad mo na talagang, kung gaba parang tinitingala ka niya, no? Kung gaba ikaw isang Diyosa ng kagandahan o isang Diyos na kagwapuhan. Okay? Hindi niya ma-imagine na na-attract siya sa isang katulad mo. Kung gaba para bang, wow, maybe ang tingin niya sa sarili niya is not that really special, but sabihin natin na, kasi nga, ang tingin niya sa'yo is somebody na talagang maganda at maayos, na gwapo. Kung gaba parang, wow, deserve ko ba tong tao na to? Ganun yung dating no? Nakakataba naman ng puso kung ganito talaga yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. At ganun din nararamdaman mo, Pisces. Na you feel so blessed and lucky to have met somebody na talagang, wow, yung tipong perfection. Of course, there's no such thing as perfection, but in our eyes and in our hearts, we see perfection sa ating person na mahal, di ba? Para sa atin, siya yung perfect para sa atin. And that includes all the imperfections, no? Lahat ng mga pagkakamali niya. Sa'yo, okay lang yon. Perfect pa rin siya para sa'yo. Okay? So, tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano yung we have a jumping card. First is the Seven of Cups. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Oh, the Devil. The King of Wands. The Ace of Pentacles. And the Queen of Wands. Okay, yung kabila naman. We have the Chariot, the Ten of Swords, Temperance, the Four of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, and the Five of Wands. Okay, so Pisces. Okay, bago tayo mag-umpisa, I put these cards, no, for you, Pisces. But of course, if these cards doesn't resonate with you, then please take the other side. Then ganun din yung person mo, no? If it doesn't resonate this side, then take the other side. Okay? Vice versa. Kasi some would make comments na hindi naman ako yan eh, it's my person, yung mga ganon. So, kung ano lang po yung nagre-resonate sa inyo, yun lang po yung kunin nyo. Okay? Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Now, dito, ang sinasabi, Seven of Cups. Matagal na to eh. No, this Seven of Cups is really like telling us na the relationship has been going on for years and years. And kung ba meron ng ininvest, no, meron ka ng puhunan dito. Namuhunan ka na, kung ba, ng oras, panahon, pera, pagmamahal o emotions. So, in other words, matagal mo na siyang kilala. Okay? Long enough for you to know exactly who this person is. Okay. Now, itong matagal na relationship na to, there will be a change, with the Wheel of Fortune. Magkakaroon ng pagbabago. Now, change depends really. But as I can see here, meron tayong devil energy dito. And this is really getting your head or putting things, mga negative thoughts in your head pagdating sa relationship na to. Maybe it has something to do kasi nga, kung matagal na yung relationship and things are not really moving, of course you will have these doubts, no? Kakaroon ng negative thoughts. But it says here, there will be change, no? Magkakaroon ng pagbabago. So you really don't need this energy, no? You have to take this out. Or you need to be patient kasi this is really, the Seven of Cups is also a way of telling, be patient. Maghintay ka. Maghintay ka sa pagbabago na to na dadating. Okay? Wag kang mainip, no? Wag kang mainip dito sa energy na to ng devil. Kasi with the King of Wands, everything will be coming into like what you have been dreaming about, no? This King of Wands is somebody na talagang siya yung napaka gwapo, diba? Gwapo, maayos, may simpatiko, magaling sa pananamit, yung masaya kasama. Alam mo yun, yung talagang, wow, magiging proud ka na kasama siya o proud ka na naging kayo, yung ka-relationship mo. Kasi, ano siya kung gaba parang pwede mong i-display, yung pang-display, tipong pang-display. Na alam mo yung ibang tao maiinggit sa'yo kasi parang sasabihin nila na, wow, ang swerte naman ng girl na yun. Ang gwapo nung ano niya. Or, wow, ang swerte naman ng boy na yun. Ang ganda ng girl niya. Parang ganun. Or, ang swerte naman itong nung boy na to kasi ang cute nung niya, partner niya. O, swerte naman tong girl na to kasi ang cute talaga nung partner din niya. Parang ganun. No? Talagang mapapansin mo siya Pansinin siya, in other words. Merong it na tinatawag. Merong yung nakakatawag pansin. Merong that X factor. Okay? Now, you see a new beginning with this person. Kasi nga, nagbibigay siya ng kung bagong pag-asa sa'yo na, yeah, this is the one. Kasi, with the Queen of Wands, ito match kayo, no? King and Queen is here. Okay? The King and the Queen match. And they're looking at each other, di ba? Nagtitingin na sila sa isa't isa. So, talagang they love each other, no? Talagang yung tipong Wala silang ibang binibigay na atensyon kundi sa isa't isa lamang. Andun yung love. Now here on the other side, we have the Chariot. This is already making that decision to move forward. No? Sige, gagawin ko na to. Para, with the Ten of Swords, to end all this misery. Para matapos na itong lahat ng paghihirap na to. Mag-move forward na ako. Because I know I already balanced myself. No, I know I'm healed. I know I'm capable of providing yung balance na yon sa relationship. And with the love offer that I am receiving, I think it's about time for me to look at it, no? Panahon na para tignan ko to, hindi yung mumuni-muni pa ako do sa nakaraan. Because yung nakaraan is something to do with iniwan lang ako eh. No, iniwan lang ako. Kung ba parang hindi ako binigyan ng importansya. And it caused us that conflict. Confusion or conflict, no? Dahil sa past ko. Kaya nga, yung sinasabi natin dito, Pisces, there is this change, nga, no? Yung pagbabago na to. Just be patient about it. No? Dadating siya. Just wait for it. Wag magmadali. So, ano yung conclusion? We have a flipping card. We have the Four of Coins. We have the Page of Cups. And we have the Four of Wands. Okay, so you're holding tightly to this relationship because you know the message of love is there. Andun yung message of love. And you know that eventually you will receive that proposal, you know. You're planning for the future with the Four of Wands. Ito yung 11-11 card. So, yung patungo kayo doon, no? Patungo kayo doon sa lagay sa tahimik. Patungo kayo doon sa pagpaplano na for the future. I think you've already met the one that is truly for you, Pisces. Sa nakikita ko sa cards dito, kasi nga, kung sino man ito, no, sa kabilang side na to, that has experienced something that is not pleasant. Kasi nga, naiwan, nagkaroon ng conflict, kasi nga, yung nangyari nga is really something in the past na parang you don't want to, you don't want to go back to this energy anymore. Kaya nga, sabi ko diba kanina, it's about time that you focus on this love. Hindi na ito. Kasi itong tatlo na to, yung nasa ilalim, is just really telling you, ito yung nangyari dyan eh. No? Hindi ka pinansin, iniwan ka, binaliwala ka, nagkaroon kayo ng away, gulo, intriga, kompetisyon, okay? Yun yung nangyari eh. Kaya nga nasabi ko dito, di ba sa Temperance, okay ka na eh, you are healed, you're balanced, no? Kaya mo na. That is why you made that decision to move forward para matapos na tong paghihirap na to. Okay? Very clear. Kung sino man ito. Either the person or Pisces. No? Take it as it resonates. Kasi dito nga, sa kabilang side, sinasabi naman dito, you just need to wait kasi there will be a very good turn of events. Just take off that negative thoughts kasi both of you are really the one in pair, no, the King and Queen of Wands. Bagay kayo, in other words, compatible kayo. You're meant to be. And it would start a new beginning for both of you. something very tangible. Kaya nga, your perfection. Diba? So, let us see kung ano yung gusto sabihin sa'yo ni Angel. It says you're unlikely. Look for a sign. And it says here, not the right time. Ngayon, if nagmamadali kayo, maybe you need to plan more, a little bit more. Kasi parang sinasabi dito, hindi pa to yung oras ngayon. So look for a sign that when would be the best time to do the planning. Kasi ito naman no? Ito yung Four of Wands. It just needs a little more time para siguro maayos yung mabuti, no? To make sure that everything is really in its proper places. Kung ba? But it doesn't say na hindi naman kayo magiging kayong dalawa. Okay? Kaya kung ba, if you are asking na mangyayari na ba ito kaagad, unlikely, kasi you need to still look for a sign, and because it is not the right time yet. Maybe later on. Yung medyo planuhin pa mabuti. I guess that is what Angel is trying to say. Plan it well. Okay? Para okay kayong dalawa. So, kung kanino mang Pisces ito na nakuha nating energy, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Nakatulong sana ito sa iyo ng malaki. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.